Hey guys, today is the last day of the month, August 31st, and 2 packages arrived. Well, one that really counts, the other one not so much. I'm gonna be opening them with you guys. This is episode 2 of my journey as a new business owner. So let's get started. I ordered thank you cards, stickers, how-to cards, and PR cards. So I have 4 different cards. I bought a whole bunch. I don't quite remember everything. I will link down below. Okay. Have gold pens. I got gold pens because my envelopes are black and I would like to write on them everyone's name. Kind of from Amazon. I will link it down below, but this is what we've been waiting for. They gave me $20 off orders of 100 or more. Thank you, Vistaprint. So they're gonna give me more. Okay. So this is. Oh, it sucks. It ends on the last day of the year. Whatever. What is this? They don't even tell me what this is. Oh, this is my how-to. These are my how-to cards. I'm nervous. Okay. I got premium. These were printed on premium paper. Oh my god. Okay, I'll show you guys. My how-to card. Don't mind my nails. Okay. I use an app over to make all of these cards. So these are my how-to cards. How much did I get? What's it say? 250 how-to cards. Small business. Start small. Next. Oh, next. Doesn't say. Oh yeah. All of my cards have glossy paper, glossy ink. When it comes to me, I'm gonna write it right there at the bottom. But this is good quality, honey. These are, yes, these are my thank you cards. So when I did it back and front, oh, I'm gonna get closer. I did it, this is the front and this is the back. So the front is glossy, but the back doesn't come glossy, but it's still a good feel. Yeah, thank you cards, guys. How many thank you cards do I have? What does it say? I have a lot. I don't remember. I know I bought a lot. Probably 250 as well. Let me see. Okay, I have 250 thank you cards. Last but not least are my PR cards. I think I got only 50 I'm not mistaken. Okay. And these are my PR cards. So, and it is a message for all of my PR ladies. I did a cute little design right there. My info is down here, and then at the back I provided them with a how-to step. I'm so excited. It turned out to be really nice. Okay, so my brand is called Posh, obviously, because I'm Posh. Hi. And it says Posh is all about experience and personality. This is why you were exclusively chosen to be a part of it. We appreciate you and hope your Posh experience is as amazing as you. And then my quote, one of my quotes, because I have two quotes: set the tone and the rest will follow. Enjoy 20% off your next purchase. I believe these are my stickers. I want to say these are my 1-inch sticker. I did it in matte. I should have got glossy, but it's still cute. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 times 4 is 24. 1 2 3 4 5 24 times 5, and that's how much I have. And this is how they look. I did create my logo by myself using 2 apps. One really. 2 was for the second one was for the color. But yeah, so we have my stickers, my PR cards, my thank you cards for when I officially open, and my how to apply cards. These aren't supposed to be the same size, but they are. That's not a problem. Wait. Yeah, they're all the same size. It's not a problem. It's whatever. In my envelopes, it's gonna be these 2 cards for my shoppers. Like when I officially open, these are the 2 envelopes that will be inside each order. So this is my little setup at the moment. Don't laugh, because my boxes have not arrived. So I put everything in Ziplocs with the name on them. This is my little small collection. I do have more lashes coming. These are my bags, 4x6 bags. These are glitter pens in gold. I have my envelopes right here off of Amazon, and I got some stickers from Michael's. I'll probably explain later why I got those. Maybe not. But this right here, guys, is 6,000 thermal printing stickers, thingy-majiggies that you put in the printer. 6,000 that I got from UPS, from that last video that I showed you on how I got it for free. So I went and ordered some more, and yeah. So I'm gonna fix up this whole area and get some drawers so it can look more neater and nicer. This is gonna be empty. This is all the Rufus stuff. They gotta go. So this sums up everything that I got from Vistaprint for my business. If you are interested in how I created my logo or how I made my thank you cards, just drop me a message down below and I'll make a video just for you. Like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your friends, tell your friends. Peace.